And time now for our Bite of the Week, which comes from Communications Manager at the St. Catherine Public Health Department, Telka Holt. She was recommending a campaign to teach adults how to use the bathroom amidst a looming health crisis in Linstead. Here's our Bite of the Week.
We are expecting people to be more mindful of how they use bathrooms, wash your hands. You're selling to people. How can you be using your hand to wipe your feces and then go back into the marketplace to sell people with those same hands?
Nasty.
Instead of wiping it on the wall, why didn't you just wash your hands?